Hey guys, it's Ben here from Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Today we're looking at a fantastic truck that just came onto our lot. It's a 2019 Ram 1500 rig ready Ram Sport. Let's go take a look. Up at the front of the truck here, you will notice it has LED fog lights as well as LED headlights, a whole bunch of park sensors up at the front, and under the hood, it has the 5.7 liter HEMI. The side of the truck here, you will notice it has 22-inch fuel rims as well as power running boards, proximity entry. And let's go take a look at the back of the truck here. You will notice it does have your trailer hitch as well as 4 and 7 pin trailer plugs. This tailgate does have a rear view camera as well as it's also slow drop. It does have a bed liner as well as a tonneau cover. And let's go take a look at the driver's seat. In the driver's seat here, you will notice it has your phone controls on the left side of the steering wheel and your cruise on the right. This one does come equipped with a 12-inch touchscreen with navigation, as well as heated and cooled front seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. And if you take a look at the top here, it does have your assist and SOS buttons, as well as a universal garage door opener and a dual pane sunroof. Seat here, you will notice it does come with the nice cup holders as well as this nice black leather seats. These seats do fold up with ease for extra storage. And under these bins, under the floor mats here, you will notice it also has the Ram bins for extra storage as well. If you're interested in pictures and pricing of this vehicle, feel free to click the Shop Now button below or give us a call at 780-942-3629.